The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for north central Sheridan County in northwestern Kansas, south central Decatur County in northwestern Kansas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Selden, Oregon, 15 miles northwest of Hoxie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dresden. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas: Decatur and Sheridan,